Welcome back to the AQUARIUS training video series. In this video, we will look at the drag and drop quick tool, which gives you yet another method for easily loading time series data into your AQUARIUS server. You may already be familiar with the Append logger tool and with hot folders, such as these. If you click the drag and drop quick tool from Springboard, it opens a new tab in your browser, and you can drag files into that browser tab in a similar way as you would drop files into a hot folder. For example, I'll drag these two data files, select them like that, drag them into the tab, and as you can see below, the files I added were successfully parsed and added to datasets on my server. The drag and drop quick tool uses your hot folder configuration data. This means that if you already have hot folders working on your server, you can start using the drag and drop tool immediately. You may find using this quick tool more convenient than hot folders, as you interact with them through the browser and no file system access to your server is required. I'll go ahead and clear the list of the results and drag a few more files into my tab like this. And you can see again that the results of each file load are displayed here, including any errors that may have occurred during the append. For example, this file here did not load successfully, and that's because if we go and look at that file, it actually has no data in it at all. Note that you can review your hot folder configuration at your location by clicking the blue eye up here, and that you can also pick files from a selection dialog over here if you prefer that method over using drag and drop. And finally, note that you can open multiple drag and drop tabs like this. For example, if I go to another location and open the drag and drop tool like that, I can have several of these open in my browser at the same time. And this makes it easier to do things like load data files from multiple stations that you downloaded during one field trip, for example. You can leave these drag and drop tabs open in your browser, or you can close them as soon as you're done dropping your files into them. You don't need to save them or anything like that. The data is appended to your server as soon as you drag it into the tab. So there, I'm all finished with those two now.